After learning how the Metaverse can revolutionize the L&D industry, some questions may pop up in your mind. For example, do the instructional design theories, principles, and models that we have been using to design training become irrelevant in the Metaverse? The answer is no. The theories are still relevant. We will continue to follow different instructional design or ID theories, principles, and models with the aim of providing solutions to the problems faced by the learners, and while doing so, giving them the best learning experience. Even when providing solutions using the Metaverse, your aim should remain the same. What you are changing is the delivery method of a learning solution. The learning theories provide a framework for designing and developing learning solutions. We can leverage these frameworks to develop a learning solution that can be delivered in any environment. For example, traditionally, these theories were used to design and deliver training programs in classrooms. However, with the advent of computer-based training, the same set of theories were adapted, updated, and applied to create a myriad of effective online learning experiences. So let's assess how some of the popular learning theories, like Merrill's Principles of Instruction, Sociocultural Learning Theory, ADDIE, and Kirkpatrick's Evaluation Theory, can be used to design courses in the Metaverse.